baisho robita tetogolo teto sumelela tetogolo taga lapha bamphe libito la unratile na mutaliltulu.
Oh, we were so fortunate to spend most of our childhoods with him. I remember this other time, Nalibnolo, Kokware Maye, Obatama Kwela Bisia 5. I got transported to Lata. Our Naratapa, I drug a 5 seater ready for school. Our Robal, Papa to walk about 8 or he. Koloyam Becky little Angelina. Our Muhalava Walla and Chagara by skill. Carol Wella and Aqua Fanteni. Like Hilera Takanaliona transport, you go we are never Mamtabaina. Takanalena, wow, I'm going to set a cara by skill. But that whole scene just showed her, Papa Ratula Litlisha, Kamhute Minch. Kira Hulumaraki Papa. Oh, I remember this other time, Rakitana Madikana Kanakotila coronavirus. Kira Papa Unalta Benweshi, Tabaya Rescas Colon Raparelli di Mask. Barbanya ko tlhabela injection a tla go botsa ngwana ngwana ka magwa tlo go bolaya re ba ka go tlhabela ka kgamo tlo nlatse ke tla ba latsa go bolelela le mamtlhale ke mi mo a seng ke ka dia injection eo ke rile ra golo ore le ska bela idea taba eo. So I think throughout everything le di memories tse re di sharang le ena le bo bravery ba ba phela go bontsha bona go thutile re le rena re kgone go ti emela. No, and a real no yarena. No, we had the feelings jarena, feeling, regardless of what the other person thinks. I remember Barabatova Hulu, Bahal, Kudukudiva 1932. Asaran Chakare, I love you. Asaran Chakare Kaurata. Mara, Larato Lara Lore, Wanaga, I am proud of you. Uluwan Chakatitla Jadinch. I remember when we passed our matric, Rahulu Oreroeli, I regularly traveling back, Mukhala be 192 years. Atamayalere, Naka Drobon Kaba, Taratana Shopol Shoporta Marakucha, and you go regularly back. That for me was a sign of Banabaka, I am proud of you. And Okwaliang, spread your wings, fly up high. Libanaba Putivalina, and no sign you couldn't know. And now what no putang otherwise and I kill a whole no Huala Musut. Urano Rana when I go over scout travel a Mahuata Bulaka Pila. The man Kale Fitila Corona she can now excite me as Kissabiliona. Papa Barata de Huru, Barato Valley routine. Oh, Managere Papa Maroto for Marojana Corachoka Cambre. How Papa could make us right job we are low to get home. Hello, Gabo Tina Sarret and Deal. Papa by Tiela. Well, it's very strong. But that's why I level routine. I offered Hurricane in the Tiare. Kisalumo routine. You're all right. It's going to step like you know, we are Betty. With La Rodia Canyac. And I felt it over the horror. I can slow in Yakore, Tiela guy. But I'm one. Kako migata machula ko pagkamura. Kiro pa good la sitikiti la manaka. But the strength that he had will forever live in all of us. Because even when he was very, very old, apalelwa, he still tried and he still showed up. And I feel like that will forever push us to be strong, to be bold, and to be proud. And he has instilled in us something that is so beautiful, and we're going to also be able to share. Vaccine, injection, or no. Papa Barata Maleke. Well, let's no regular beke can make us every time we are not quite golo. Yakumitela Maleke. But I go over the roller Levani. Kimutsente present to give Merry Christmas, Papa, like Mona Tabilo Tab. I'm sure the video like one more. Kiria. I would like put your Maleke like a 20 car, Sherella di Rola, motsherenyana so a senonotse o tla mmona a ya ka ko kamoreng e re motlhodi bela mola o kana moja malakegala le tse ke re mara papa aowa ka bosiwa re o boe o die jwatho tle le ya mang oh ke gopola even in our childhood re re sa gola be re rata o lebella wrestling every day ka 5 papa ba tlo re ragadi mma ke bonolo wrestling o tsene John Cena shuwe re tlogela tšere di diankank ra yo lebella John Cena le papa. We have so many beautiful memories with him and di memories tse ba di dira le rena le nako ena e spendela rena nna re sa bone gore ai man mara motho ba re bontsha go rata la ka ba bogala re ga di molla jang mara ona le ntongo e dulang e re bring us together. And I feel like as a family le rena we're going to carry on with that. You might not be able to express lerato la gago ka gore I love you, but the things that you do, how you spend time with your family means a lot because mom we are proud to have experienced lerato la papa. La go bane be se ka manjore ke o rata ke o ja mara papa o bontsi jore tsela ke e ba re so no e ba re so le rena re fitla ko pele kwa re timeli. So papa, hey, we love you and we're gonna miss you so much. Hey, oh, papa.